What's up, everybody? I'm back with another 2 deals video, and today we got a few good deals from Home Depot. So let's go ahead and get it started. First up, we have this Milwaukee whole Dozer set. It's bi-metal, so keep that in mind. It's not the carbide ones. Carbide, what am I talking about? Which is $328, but you can get this 10-piece bi-metal set for $30 right now. Marked down from $150. I don't know that these are normally $150 because it's just a 10-piece, but $30 for a 10-piece is very, very good. Moving on, we have this big boy Milwaukee Rocket Tower Light. So this is the 6,000 lumen ones with the 3 articulating heads. I know it's kind of dimmed out because I wanted you guys to see the price. If you hack it, it ends up being $311.11. Now you might be saying, man, that's a lot of money for a light, but considering this thing is normally like $600, well, it's $449 on a special buy plus the BOGO. It breaks down to be $311, but it's normally like $600. It's like, if you were ever curious, this would be the time to get it, because I don't think I've ever seen it for cheaper than $311, not in the last 2 years anyway. So there you have that. Moving on. You guys know how I feel about these right angle impact wrenches, but a lot of you guys love them. I've had nothing but fuddy-duddies with this Milwaukee M12, but, you know, maybe they fixed them. So we have this right angle 3/8 inch impact wrench, and this is also on the BOGO. Comes with a free 2.5 amp hour high output battery. But if you don't want to keep the battery, the tool itself breaks down to be $142.45. I'm not going to lie, at that price, I'm a little tempted to try one more time, but I don't know. I've been disappointed way too much. So moving on, we got this Ridgid 2-tool combo with the impact driver and a drill. The impact driver is actually rated pretty highly at 1850 inch-pounds. I don't recall. I didn't look and see if it had modes, though. I don't think it does. Let's go ahead and check it out real quick. No, it doesn't. It does not have modes. But again, you're getting the drill, you're getting the impact driver, and 2 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a bag for $99. And if you register within 30 days, you will get a lifetime service agreement. Not a warranty, but a lifetime service agreement. And for that price, you really can't beat that. Moving on, we have another Ridgid deal. We have this oscillating tool kit, 2-amp-hour battery. Okay, 2 2-amp-hour batteries. It's 2 in the pictures, 1 on the tool, 1 sitting here. You see up here, 2 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, the oscillating tool itself, $99 for that kit as well. I have no experience with this oscillating tool. To me, it looks old. I don't know why. I feel like, I don't know, it don't look like a new tool, but it is. And you have your variable speed dial right here. And yeah, the universal, it takes the universal blades, so that's also a bonus there. When you look at the Metabos, not Metabo HPT, but the Bosches, they take the star blades, which cost a little bit more. This is the universal ones right here, $99 for that kit. Moving on, we have another Milwaukee kit here. So if you take away the flashlight, the oscillating tool, and the hacksaw, and all these little accessories over here, you have your regular M12 fuel bundle, which is normally $199. Add an extra $140, you get the hacksaw, the fuel hacksaw, the fuel oscillating tool, which to me, hands down, has been one of probably the second best oscillating tool I've ever used. Metabo HPT is number 1, but this one has a lot less vibration, this Milwaukee. And you get this flashlight and all these little accessories for extra $140. Now let me tell you how good of a deal that is. You see this hacksaw is $149, and then you see this oscillating tool is $159, and you're getting all that extra for $140. So excellent deal there, $339. About to wrap it up. Now we have this DeWALT BOGO. Again, we already talked about the reciprocating saws with the DeWALTs, okay? But this is a 60-volt reciprocating saw, but even with that being 60 volts, it still doesn't have a rafter hook. It still doesn't have any modes. This shoe does not even look adjustable, let alone like you being able to pull it off. It articulates, that's clear, but I don't think you can slide that in and out. $229, but on the BOGO, it comes with a free 9 amp hour flex volt 60 volt battery, which is crazy. Which is crazy for 229, because that battery alone is more than that. But if you wanted to, hack and you didn't want to keep the battery, the reciprocating saw itself is 112. And shoot, if you just wanted the battery cheap, that's 116.95. So that's not a bad deal, all things considered. But if you were just looking for tool only, again, I don't recommend that reciprocating saw. I will go to Menards and grab this Metabo HPT for $139. And let's go over that real quick, and then we're wrapping up. So this reciprocating saw right here, you see it has a switch, it has an orbital function. This shoe is removable and adjustable, and it articulates. It has I think a 4-speed transmission. Here the speeds right here, but let me show it to you on the actual tool. Okay, they don't have the pictures, but it's actually on the tool as well right here. You guys see it right there. Can't see it. Has a rafter hook, which they also hide, and I don't know why they hide it in the pictures. But has a rafter hook, variable speed trigger. This also will run off AC as well as DC, so you use a battery or plug it into the wall if you have the adapter. And this has a lifetime warranty. For $139, you really can't beat it. And that is it for today's video. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. Share it with your brethren. Don't be stingy, and I will see you guys next time.